Ready to master ChatGPT in just a few hours? I promise, it's easier than you think. If you want to write better, learn faster, or just have fun with AI, this quick guide is for you. Remember, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by the brilliant minds at OpenAI. Think of ChatGPT as your instant assistant. You type your message, and it replies immediately. It's a powerful tool that can answer questions, brainstorm ideas, and explain complex concepts.
Just go to chat.openai.com. That's your first and most important step to getting started.
Signing up is super easy. Just follow the prompts to create your new AI account.
Yes, you can absolutely use ChatGPT on mobile apps, but the browser is often simplest for beginners. The golden rule is always be clear and specific with every single prompt you write. The more details you give to the AI, the better, more tailored the answer will be. If you don't like the initial answer, don't give up. Try rephrasing your question immediately.
Instead of asking about dogs, ask, can you explain the differences between golden retrievers and poodles?
A vague prompt gives a vague result. Always remember that simple equation. Let's dive into what ChatGPT can actually do for your daily life.
Need writing help? Just ask it to write a short story about a robot and a cat. It's that simple.
I often use it for learning complex topics. Try. Explain quantum physics like I'm 10 years old. Stuck on ideas? Ask ChatGPT to give me 5 ideas for a YouTube channel about cooking. Summarizing long articles is effortless now. Just paste the text and say, summarize this for me. It's a fantastic translator. Just tell it, translate this into French. Hello, how are you? Even for coding beginners, ChatGPT can help. Ask, how do I write a Hello World program in Python? Let's try a quick writing prompt. Write an opening paragraph for a detective novel set in New York. You can even ask it to explain advanced mathematics using analogies, which is fantastic for studying.
For brainstorming, try asking for 10 catchy slogans for a coffee shop opening next month.
To summarize a scientific paper, try. Summarize this article, focusing only on the methodology section.
Now translate the reply back into English to check the accuracy.
For coding, ask it to explain each line of this JavaScript code so I understand the function. See how quick that response was? That speed is one of ChatGPT's greatest assets. And I'm typing prompts in real time, proving just how simple and powerful this AI tool truly is. Watch how it instantly switches from writing a poem to solving a math problem. Incredible versatility. Now, let's talk about the advanced tips that will make you look like an AI expert instantly. Always ask for step-by-step instructions. Try, show me step-by-step how to bake a chocolate cake. Requesting examples is key to clarity. Ask, give me examples of polite ways to say no in English. Set the tone. If you want something fun, ask it to. Write a funny poem about Mondays. Need a serious email? Tell it. Write a professional email to my boss requesting a day off. The best feature is that ChatGPT remembers the conversation, so use follow-up questions effectively. Ask for a list, and then say, now rank those 10 ideas based on startup cost. Use a persona. Tell it. Act as a seasoned travel agent and plan a 3-day trip to Paris. You can even ask it to Write a sales copy for a new running shoe in the style of a 1950s radio ad.
Ask for a detailed comparison table. Create a table comparing the features of iOS and Android phones.
To get better explanations, ask it to re-explain the concept, but use only sports analogies.
Let's explore common mistakes and how we can quickly fix them for better results.
If your answer isn't helpful, 9 times out of 10, your initial request was too vague. Fixing a vague prompt is simple. Stop, breathe, and add 3 more specific details. Is your prompt too long and confusing? Break it down into 2 or 3 smaller sequential parts. If the AI gives you too much information, just ask it. Please make that explanation much simpler. Conversely, if the answer is too short, simply say, expand on the 3rd bullet point with more detail. Never forget this crucial rule. ChatGPT is a tool, not a human. It relies entirely on your input. Now, let's talk about a serious topic: your safety and privacy while using AI tools. Never, and I mean never, share personal information like your home address or passwords. ChatGPT does not inherently know your private data unless you willingly type it into the chat window. Be mindful of sensitive corporate data. Don't paste private documents into the chat environment. Always assume that whatever you type into the chat could potentially be used for training purposes. Protect your identity. It's an easy habit to maintain and vital for online security. Time for a quick reference. I've compiled my 5 favorite handy prompts you can use every single day. Number 1, write a polite email asking for a refund. This saves so much time. Number 2, explain blockchain in simple terms. Perfect for impressing your friends. Number 3, give me a recipe for vegan pancakes. Instant meal planning, right there. Number 4, list 10 business ideas for students. Your next side hustle is just a prompt away. Number 5, translate good morning into Spanish. Great for learning new phrases on the fly. I highly recommend you save this prompt list. It's your starting point for mastering AI. And that's it. You are now fully equipped to master ChatGPT in just a few hours of practice.
Practice, experiment, and most importantly, remember to have fun with this incredible technology.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Now Kain Kung. We post awesome tips and tutorials every week, so you definitely don't want to miss out. And here is your special gift: a free ebook filled with the hottest ChatGPT prompts. And to get your free ebook, just leave your email in the comments below right now. This ebook is perfect for mastering AI quickly and efficiently. It's totally free. Don't miss it. Subscribe now and claim your gift. And thank you so much for watching today. See? It's simple and powerful. Don't let the term AI intimidate you. Remember, ChatGPT can write, learn, brainstorm, summarize, translate, and even help you code. To truly master ChatGPT, practice setting a different style or tone for every request you make. Make sure you log in properly before starting, and then, if you can't access the chat, you're missing a step. When brainstorming, always specify your target audience. That gives ChatGPT the right context. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a haiku about the simplicity of AI chatbots. If you need to learn a new language, try asking for 10 common idioms in Mandarin Chinese. For debugging code, ask it to find the error in this block of Python and explain why it failed. Always check the source. If you're using a mobile app, ensure it's from a trusted platform.
Remember, the conversation history is gold. Use it to refine your prompts until you get the perfect answer.
Let's try asking for a detailed 3-day itinerary for a budget trip to Rome, using only public transport. If you get a generic answer, simply prompt it again. Give me 5 unique, unexpected facts about the Eiffel Tower. The most common mistake is being too lazy with your prompts. Effort in equals quality out. If the AI gives you a very long block of text, ask it to break the previous answer into short, digestible paragraphs. Never argue with the AI. If it's wrong, just rephrase the question and lead it to the correct information. The AI is constantly learning, but always treat its output as a starting point, not the final word. Protecting your privacy is your responsibility, and the tool is neutral, but your input isn't.
Try using the advanced prompt. Write a persuasive cover letter for a graphic design internship in a modern, casual tone.
Let's generate a quick list. Top 7 healthy dinner ideas that take less than 20 minutes to cook.
For the student, try. Create a study plan for the next 5 hours on the topic of World War II. Need creative ideas? Generate 15 creative names for a new brand of sustainable dog toys. Remember, mastering AI isn't about knowing coding. It's about mastering communication. And when asking for explanations, specify the length. Try. Explain the concept of inflation in exactly 5 sentences. If you're stuck on a decision, ask ChatGPT to list the pros and cons of buying a house versus renting. For writing, try setting a strict word count. Write a motivational quote exactly 20 words long. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it can seamlessly switch between formal and casual tones within seconds. Always use the full stop. A clear punctuation mark tells the AI exactly when your prompt ends. If you don't have access to the web, you can't use ChatGPT. It's an online tool. Remember that.
For summaries, try. Summarize the plot of the movie Inception in 1 short paragraph. When asking for code, always specify the version. Write a program using Python 3.11 features only.
To get a creative title for your content, ask, give me 10 catchy titles for a blog post about time management.
Your journey to AI mastery starts right now with your very next prompt. Don't just read the answers. Ask, what is the logical next step after this response? If the AI uses jargon you don't understand, ask it. Define all technical terms used in the last response. Remember to click the Sign Up button if you've never used OpenAI before. It's mandatory.
I'm telling you, this free ebook is packed with all the hottest prompts you need. Go get it.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you feel confident using ChatGPT now.